Hi guys, once again, welcome to our computer application for the workplace and integrated software application. And welcome sa week 16. Okay? So ang topic natin ngayon ay tungkol sa adding videos and sounds in PowerPoint presentation. So meron tayong mga yung mga paraan o kaya ways sa pag-insert ng video or file sa ating uh, PowerPoint presentation. Okay? So, number one is insert from a file. Number two is embed from a website like YouTube, Vimeo, and so on. So, may mga videos kahit na anong website, may mga videos din yan. Okay? Clip art videos like GIF. So, yung GIF kasi parang animation siya, pero parang video kasi yung ano niya, yung galaw niya. Okay? So, ito, insert video from a file. So, we have the steps. You can insert from the options presented in the blank slide. Yan. So, once na inopen natin yung ano natin, yung PowerPoint, may mga options doon o kaya sa taas niya sa right upper, okay, upper right side, may mga options lalo na pag naka insert na tayo ng mga object. Okay, so may mga option doon like insert, pag click natin yung insert command or menu, may lalabas doon na video, audio, mga ganon. Graph, tables, ano pa. So yun yung mga option kung gumagawa tayo ng PowerPoint at nag-insert tayo ng video. You can insert from the media tab at the top of your screen. Yan. So yung masasabi ko lang, then once you insert your clip, you can adjust the size of the clip to fit screen or become larger or smaller. Okay? So, kung minsan pag nag-insert kasi like nag-insert na natin yung video, nandoon na sa sa slide. Okay? So napakaliit lang siya. Okay? So, para makita mo, you can resize. Yan. Pwede mong i-resize para lalaki o kaya kung gusto mo pang maliit, yan. Pwede. So you can also adjust the overall style of the video. Yan. So yung style, alam naman natin like yung picture natin or photo na pag nag-insert natin sa slide. So pwede nating i-format kung ano yung style, okay? So ano yung format niya o kaya kulay niya. Yan. Yung variation kumbaga. So, pwede yan. So, nandito sa baba, okay, yung mga options kung paano o kaya ano yung mangyayari sa video natin pag namili tayo dyan. Okay? So, next is, dito sa embedding your own video file means that you do not have to worry about link failing. Okay? The downside to this is to increase the size of your presentation. Whatever size video you embed will be added to the total size of your presentation. So, how to embed? So, may mga option tayo dito. Pag nag-insert tayo ng video like yan, insert, click natin yung insert. So, may down arrow. Okay. Then, meron siyang submenu na insert, link to file, and show previous version. So, yan. So, by clicking insert will embed your video. Kumbaga pag nakapili ka na ng video na na gusto mong insert, then i-click mo lang yung insert, then automatic na may insert na yung file or yung video. O video file yan. You can also link to a file. This will keep your presentation smaller and will allow your presentation to work with older version of PowerPoint like PowerPoint 2007. PowerPoint will automatically embed, so the only reason to link is if you will be presenting on PowerPoint 2007 or earlier, or if you are having trouble with your presentation crashing from the embedding of too many large file. Yan. So dito sa sa 2007 kailangan mo na mag-link, pero pag yung ibang higher version or earlier version, yan, pag sa earlier version kasi ibig sabihin medyo mas mababa, okay? Na nung nauna kumbaga. Pero ngayon yung mga latest hindi na kailangan na mag-link to file. Automatic yan na mai-embed na siya o kaya mag-insert na yung file sa slide or sa PowerPoint. Okay? So hindi na kailangan na i-link, hindi na kailangan na basta insert mo na lang, okay? Click mo na lang yung insert, yan, pwede na siya. Okay, so yan. If you link file, you will need to carry your video files with your own external hard drive or flash drive when moving to different location to perform a presentation. Yan. So of course, kapag lalo na kapag walang internet, wala kang space sa hard drive mo, di ba? Na pag savean o kaya pag storean ng mga videos na gusto mong gamitin sa mga presentations. So mas maganda na may dala kang external hard drive or flash drive para doon naka-store na lahat yung kailangan mo. Doon na naka-save. Kaya kapag gumawa ka ng presentation, kukunin mo na lang doon kay yung mga videos, yung mga file na kailangan mo sa presentation. So, to avoid broken links, it is good to create your link on the external hard drive or flash drive from where you will be presenting. So, dapat nakalink na yung pag insert mo yung flash drive o kaya yung external drive, dapat yung presentation mo, yung videos ay nakalink na sa kanila. Okay? So, pwede naman na kung may space o kaya siyempre pag computer naman, lalo na ngayon malawak yung capacity ng hard drive, di ba? Hindi na kailangan ng external drive or flash drive para i-save yon. So, mas maganda na kapag nagta-travel ka o kaya you are going to move from to other location, mas maganda na nandun na mismo. Okay, nandun na mismo yung kailangan mo sa hard drive. So ang advantage lang kasi ng external at yung flash drive, so yung corruption ng file. Okay? So yun yung iniwasan natin. So para hindi ka na magdala ng hard drive kung nakasigurado ka naman na na okay yung computer mo, yan, doon mo na lang ilagay sa hard drive. Okay? Para doon na automatic nakalink, hindi na kailangan yung flash drive o kaya yung external drive para doon mo i-link yung mga videos or file videos mo. Okay? So the only thing with is good to create your link on the external hard drive or flash drive from where you will be presenting. Yan. So advantage pa rin yung yung may hard drive o external hard drive at flash drive kasi backup, okay, para sa backup. So how to insert? Yan. You can go to file, info to edit links to files or yan para edit yung file found on right hand side of screen. And update now will update the links in your files. Okay, kung minsan, 'di ba, lalo na kapag nandun lang sa ano sa external, so kailangan din ng i-update. Okay? So next is yung mga video file format natin. So paano natin ma-determine na yung isang file ay isang video? So dapat alam natin 'yan. So example sa mga Windows Media File, ano ba yung mga Windows Media File like audio, mga ganon. So ang file extension niya is ESF, yan. So ito yung advanced streaming format. So this file format stores synchronized multimedia data and can be used to stream audio and video content, images, and script command over a network. Yan. Number 2 is the .avi, okay? Avi Audio Video Interleave. Yan. Yung ESF Advanced Streaming Format. Then we have the Windows Video File, the AVI. So this is a multimedia file format for storing sound and moving pictures in Microsoft Resource Interchange File Format or the RIFF format. It is one of the most common format because audio or video content that is compressed with a wide variety of codec can be stored in an AVI file. Okay. So next is the MPEG or MPG. Yan. Movie file. So moving picture expert group. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng MPEG. Okay. Moving pictures expert group. So ibig sabihin, movie yung file na yan. Okay? Pag may nakita tayong .mpeg or .mpg, yung file extension ng isang file, meaning that is a movie file. This is an evolving set of standards for video and audio compression developed by the moving picture expert groups. This file format was designed specifically for use with the video CD and CDI media. Okay, so naranasan natin o naabutan naman natin na yung yung CD na tinatawag or yung DVD. Di ba? So noon yung mga movie movie file natin na na nakalagay sa CD or CDR, mga ganon. Ayun yung mga MPEG files. Okay? MPEG files, MPG, minsan MOV, mga ganon. So yung Windows Media Video file. So so next is yun yung Windows Media Video file or the .wmv, okay? Windows Media Video. Yan. This file format compresses audio and video by using the Windows Media Video Codec, a tightly compressed format that requires a minimal amount of storage space on your computer's hard disk. So naabutan niyo rin yung yung tawag doon, yung DVD na tinatawag, kung saan yung mga videos natin kung minsan pwede niyang i-save yung 16 movies. Pero alam naman natin na yung isang movie, ang capacity niyan is more or less 1 gigabyte, di ba? Pero ilan yung capacity ng DVD? So meron siyang example 1 gig, may 4.7, mga ganon. Pero kung tutuusin yung isang movie, sabihin na natin na 700 MB. So kung 16 yun, so di ba yung 4.7 na gigabyte ng DVD ay hindi kakasya yan. Pero dahil sa may mga codec o kaya mga decoder na yan na kinocompress yung file, kaya kakasya yung isang CD sa 16 movies or more than 16 movies. Depende yun sa compression. Okay? So yun yung mga file format, extension, yan ng video. Okay? Audio and video format. Okay, yung file format nila. So MPEG, yan, MPG, MP3, MLB, M2B, MOD, yan yung mga equivalent ng MPEG, okay? Or the Moving Picture Expert Group. So, of course, pag nakita nyo yan o narinig nyo, so ibig sabihin, those files are videos or movies. Then next is, yan. Many times, video made on a Mac might need a certain player or codec. So, alam nyo ba yung Mac? That is from Apple, di ba? To play on a PC, make sure that your video work on the computer you are presenting on before you present. If your video doesn't or does not work, simply download the correct codec that might fix the problem. The QuickTime installation or the QuickTime player will generally fix many PowerPoint video plays problem. So kung minsan kasi, yung mga videos din natin alam na yung video na ni-insert pala natin sa sa PowerPoint natin o kaya sa slideshow or slide na ginagawa natin ay hindi compatible sa operating system or yung player na ginagamit natin. Dalawa yun, either sa operating system o kaya sa player na gagamitin natin na pag-play sa PowerPoint. Siyempre, kailangan din ng player yan kahit na PowerPoint, di ba? So, if there is a chance that you might present on PowerPoint that is 2007 or earlier, it is best that you convert your digital video to WMV or .WMV. The best option is downloading Windows Media Encoder on a PC and converting the file. So, lalo na sa sa pag yung movie is galing sa mga Apple product like Mac, okay, yung mga operating system niya is mga iOS, mga tawag doon. Galing sa Apple product kasi medyo madamot kasi yung Apple eh. Kaya yun nga, yung Apple, alam niyo yung Apple na icon ng yan ng Apple. So kaya may ano yun, may bawas, okay? Yun lang yung ano nila. Okay? So yun nga pag may problema sa pag-play ng ano ng PowerPoint video, okay, mga problems na ma-encounter kayo sa pag-play. So just download the QuickTime player. Okay, kasi yung QuickTime player na yan is galing sa Apple. That is a product ng Apple. Okay? Yan. So yun. So may mga problema na ano na-encounter din sa PowerPoint lalo na sa pag-play ng video. Yan. So, embedding stream video only works on PowerPoint 2010 PC version. Make sure your embedded video plays and that you have an internet connection before you present. Okay? Have a hyperlink to video in case embedded video goes wrong. So, kung minsan kasi, di ba, yung embedding stream video, of course, galing yan sa YouTube or YouTube, mga galing sa internet, sabihin natin gano'n. Okay? So, kapag nagka-problema, so dapat may mga hyperlink o para ma-embed yung ano yung video kapag nagkaroon ng problema 'yon. So on your YouTube, go to share embed, select use old embed code option. Yan, yung mga codes ng mga ano ng mga video. Yan. Kahit na nakikita niyo na as yan yung file, yun yung file niya pero yung content niyan is video. Okay? In PowerPoint, go to insert video then click the video from website option. Yan, dalawa. Video from file, video from website option. So like yun nga website, yung YouTube, okay, kung ano man yung mga multimedia website na yan. So like YouTube. So pwede mong kunin yan. Okay? Then, yan, copy and paste your code into the blank box. Yan, may mga, pag nag-insert ka ng video from the website, of course, yung mga codes, yan, may magkaroon parang dialog box kung saan mo i-paste yung mga codes ng isang video. Ayan, then insert. So yung ang lalabas, ganito na siya. Okay, ito yung lalabas yun sa baba niya. Once the video is inserted, double-click on the video to get it to work. Yan. So if you have a 64-bit installation of Office, you will need to use 64-bit version of Adobe Flash Player. So may mga ano yan, no? Ito yung URL ng Adobe Flash Player. Kung gusto niyo, kung hindi man siya gagana sa ibang player, so you can download the Flash Player 11.html. So yan yung ginagamit. Okay? Then we have the web video considerations. Situation when you will need your own copy instead. If you want to have a fast, reliable internet connection, then if the video website doesn't have embed codes, so you can apply video formatting, special effect. PowerPoint for Mac does not support direct web video embedding, and Flash-based won't work on some smartphone and tablets and can't export your finished slideshow into a movie. So, siyempre ito yung mga consideration, web video consideration. Okay? So, yung mga dapat i-considera kapag gumagawa tayo ng video in a PowerPoint. So, kaya yun nga sabi, hindi lahat gagana sa isang ano kasi may mga considerations, may mga limitations din. Okay? So, yan. So, once you have your video inserted, you can edit the format and playback option. Yan, on click, yan. Automatically, once na inopen mo o play mo yung ano, yung animation o yung slideshow, ay magpi-play yung video. Okay? Go to video tools and playback or format. So, playback is where you can set a video to play automatically. Yan. Once na play full screen, hide while not playing, or loop until stop or rewind after playing. Okay? You can also stream video to fade in the fade out format is where you edit the look and your video. Okay? So, yun yung kung pwede mong i-edit, ibig sabihin hindi naman yung pag-edit kasi pag sinabi nating edit, yung video mismo ang i-edit natin, hindi. Kundi yung ano, yung like pag open mo ng PowerPoint, automatically or play mo yung slideshow, automatic na mag-play yung video or on click. Okay? Pag play mo, for example, pag may nandun na yung ano, yung file or yung link, then click mo lang siya. Yun nga, on click. Okay? Saka ka lang siya play. So pwede mo namang loop until stop. Okay? Continuous yung ano niya hanggat ikaw mismo ang mag-stop and rewind after playing. Yan, babalik siya sa dati. Okay? Yung sa una. Okay? Then yan. Update media software. Is your software up to date? Microsoft Windows Media Player, version 10 or higher, Flash Player, Shockware, QuickTime, DirectX. So yun yung mga kailangan natin na tignan. Kasi kung minsan, kapag hindi updated yung mga software natin, yung applications, ay hindi mag-play yung isang video, yung isang audio or sound. Yan yung mga kailangan natin na i-update o kaya kailangan natin na malaman din. Did someone else send you the file? Okay. PowerPoint 2007 doesn't embed media. Do you have the asset? Okay. You don't have the same codec installed, downloads, and install the appropriate codec. Install the third-party media decoder. Yan. QuickTime, DivX, yan, and have auto run optimize media compatibility, then send again. Yan. So, yan. Yung mga PowerPoint natin like 2007, so may mga ano yan, may limitations, kaya marami din yung mga bago na hindi niya kayang i-play like yan mga video. Kaya kailangan din natin ng third party na tinatawag para ma-install o kaya ma-play yung isang video like QuickTime, yan. FFD show. Yan. And DivX. So kailangan din natin yan. So then incompatible file format. So import into Windows Movie Maker, then export into .wmb format. So example, pag yung isang player o isang video ay hindi supported ng Windows Media Player, example. So i-open mo siya o i-insert mo siya sa Windows Movie Maker kasi may Movie Maker kasi pwede kang mag-create ng multiple movie in one file sa Windows Movie Maker. Okay? Then after that, pag na-insert mo na siya o na-import mo siya sa Windows Movie Maker, i-export mo into .wmv. Pag nag-save ka na, yung file extension mo is WMV format. Okay? If .avi, try changing extension to MPEG in Windows Explorer. Yan. Yung mga incompatible, kapag incompatible yung format, then export mo lang siya. Import, then export. Then, did you record the clip on a camcorder? Yan. Your camera may have proprietary codec. Yun lang. Okay? So, kumbaga, yung camera mo, example, yung mga digital camera na yan, ay meron silang sarili. Okay? Proprietary codec. Kumbaga, kung ano lang yung nasa kanila, yun lang. Okay? Use your camera software to convert to a common format. Kung meron man, pwede niyong convert sa camera ninyo. Okay? Then, did you record the screen capture? Yan. Video is transparent or blank. Use optimized media compatibility to fix. Yan. Then, will it play on your computer outside PowerPoint? So, works fine Windows Media Player or another program. Use insert object to add videos to presentation, and video will open up external player during presentation instead of showing in PowerPoint. Eh kung example, kapag hindi kaya ng PowerPoint, ang mangyayari dyan, pwede nyo i-link yan sa other file format or player na gusto nyo. Okay? Or are you playing it on a Macintosh? Then Apple Macintosh computer may not have Windows Media Codecs. So, ibig sabihin, you're going to install Flip for Mac. Yan, yung software na pwede nyong gamitin para ma-play nyo siya sa Apple Macintosh computer. Okay? Yan, we have also the audio. Insert from file into a slide. So just like video. So ganun din yung audio. Insert from file into slide, and insert clip art, record audio into presentation, inserting soundtrack and music, record slide, show from start to finish. Yan. Yan yung mga file format naman ng audio. Okay, MP3, .wav, .wma, MID or MIDI, AU, AIFF, yan. Audio interchange file format, Unix audio, musical instrument digital interface, yan, MPEG audio layer 3, MP3, natawag, waveform, yan, WAV, Windows Media Audio, yan, ganoon din sa, meron din sa video. Okay. So sa pag pag convert naman ng software, yan, Windows Media Encoder or Expression Encoder, yan, purpose is Microsoft tools for working with audio. So we have the PFC Media, yan, PowerPoint plugin for formatting multimedia, and the VLC, open source yan. Okay, pag sinabi nating open source, yan kahit yun nga, yung mga program na open for updates, yan, kung kahit sino pwedeng kumbaga mag-donate ng kanilang kaisipan, yan, doon sa program na yun, magbigay ng design, yan. So ito yung open source or kaya yung tinatawag na free. Okay? Free, kahit sino pwede o kaya free to download, mga ganun. Okay? Then how to insert audio to audio, okay? To start. Yan. Click insert, then audio, yan. Then audio record or record audio to bring up your record sound box, yan. Then push record to start recording, then you can stop and continue recording or push OK to insert into your slide. Yan. Your audio recording will appear in your slide. Remember about your audio tools formatting option. Yan, same as video formatting option. So, yan yung icon niya. Ganito yung icon ng audio. Pag video naman parang ganun lang siya, yung play. Yan, o kaya nandun na mismo sa yung link mismo. Okay? Then if you want your sound to not to play through PowerPoint, but through an outside source such as Windows Media Player or iTunes, you can set your sound as an action button. Yun, action button na tinatawag, yung play. Yan, yung ganon. Go to insert, shape, action, buttons at the bottom and shift and drag over screen to create the button. Okay. When let go of button, get action settings option, you can hyperlink to other file. Yan, hyperlink. Yan, ililink mo siya sa video o audio file. Okay, pag click mo yung action button, magpi-play yung music example. This would mean that you need to bring your sound file or files with you when performing your presentation. You will also need to make sure your presentation computer has your outside audio source, yan, such as iTunes and Windows Media Player. So kapag ginamit mo yung outside source na pag-play ng audio, so be sure na yung mga applications or programs na gagamitin mo ay nasa computer mo. Okay, para hindi magkaka-error o magkaka-problema kapag nagpi-present ka. Okay? So, yan. Then to change the image of your sound icon, go to Audio Tools format, change picture, then navigate to the image you would like to use. Then you can then format this image the same way you normally would format image in PowerPoint. Yan. Change picture. Kung gusto mong palitan yung picture. You can also add artistic effect and picture style to your sound icon. Yan. Yung mga options, kung ano yung gusto mong icon na nandun sa PowerPoint mo, yung sound icon, di ba? Okay, so yan yung mga options. Then, if you would like to hide the audio icon during your presentation, click on Hide During Show. Then under the Audio Tools playback option, be sure that to change the start time from start on click to start automatically to make this hidden icon play effectively. So of course, kapag naka-hide yung icon mo, dapat yung start the time mo ay nakaset na, at saka dapat kapag nandun na siya sa slide kung saan pwede na siyang mag-play, ay kapag na-open na yon ay automatic na mag-play yung sound. Okay? Para maging effective yung pagka-hide ng icon. Okay? Kaya nakaset siya sa automatically. Okay? Start automatically. Yan. Then you have the settings slideshow to music. Okay? Insert audio on the first slide or presentation. Navigate to music file. Then remember to file format that can be used. Then go to Audio Tools Playback, Start, Play Across Slide. You can also hide during show since yung audio mo naman is play across slide. So ibig sabihin, sabihin na natin na hanggang matapos yung slideshow. So if you want to loop until stop, then click the box yan. Loop until start. Yung nasa na yun. Yan. Then, if you go to your animation pane, under animation tab, you can make sure that your music soundtrack is going to be played before your content. Yan. Audio short.web. Yan, nakaset na siya. Then, if it is not playing before content, drag and drop it at the start of your animation pane. Yan, animation pane. So, yan yung sa pag-animation, of course, syempre sa presentation kailangan ng animation, ng music, ng video, yan. Dapat naka-set na siya o kaya naka-align na siya o kaya naka-timing na siya sa animation at saka yung mga audio natin. Yan. Yan, so hanggang doon lang yung natin, yung topic natin sa inserting audios and videos in a PowerPoint. Okay? So I hope na may natutunan na naman kayo dito. Okay, lalo na sa paglagay ng video, ng audio, kung ano yung mga file na kailangan natin na gamitin o kaya tandaan para malaman natin kung compatible ba siya sa PowerPoint natin. Okay? Kaya nga sabi ko nga, hindi lahat ng audio or ng video ay compatible siya sa PowerPoint. Kailangan din natin na alamin kung anong mga yan. So like kapag yung file or yung video or audio ay galing sa ibang operating system. Okay? So yan. So hanggang dito na lang sa sa week 16 natin. Maraming salamat at yan nga, paalala na naman sa module nyo. Okay? Module natin na kailangan natin na tapusin o kaya yung mga activities natin na kailangan na sagutin, yung mga kunting pagsusulit doon. So yan. Kung may kung sa activity natin ay may actual, kailangan nyo ng computer, yan, open tong school natin, yung laboratory natin, computer laboratory, para doon kayo gumawa. Okay? So, ito nga, kahit na may nakatatak sa labas na ongoing yung recording, so yung isang laboratory natin, kaya pwede niyong gamitin. So, maraming salamat and God bless.